Hey friends, welcome back to Mimi's Mixed Bag. Got a cute little hanging carrot spring decor for you today, and it's going to cost you $2 or $3, just depends on what you have in your stash. I went to Dollar General today and I picked up one of these orange bath poofs. These are easily found at any dollar store and Walmart, places like that, but look for a bright orange one. You're going to need some kind of greenery. I have a lot of greenery in my stash, so I didn't want to waste $1. But any kind of grass or greenery will work that'll symbolize the greenery on the top. You're going to need some kind of springy ribbon. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one. I thrifted this last week and I just grabbed it up, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use that one or not. You're going to need a little orange paint, and you're going to need a piece of scrap cardboard. This is just a big children's book that I have been working through as scrap cardboard because it's a great chipboard. And I just took a marker and I just drew a simple carrot shape. And then I took my marker and drew a smaller carrot shape in the center. What I'm making is about a 2-inch carrot frame. You can see it's not perfect, but once I get it all cut out, I'll even it up and make sure that it looks a little straighter than it does. So I'm going to cut my carrot frame out, and then I'll be back and show you where I'm at. And I went ahead and put a slit in the top because this is where I'm going to feed the mesh through there. Now I'm going to give my cardboard a couple coats of orange paint. I'm just using Apple Barrel, the Harvest Orange. Alright, while my little cardboard carrot is drying, I'm going to go ahead and start preparing my bath poof. Now I want to open this up and show you that every bath poof I've ever had has a white string in the middle of it. If you'll just split it open like that, and you're going to take your scissors, it's pretty tight, so just get that nipped, and then once you do that, this thing will just unwind. Yeah, it's like 4 yards of this mesh material. This fabric it's actually a tube. It's a tube all the way down is the way this thing is made. Now, depending on the look you want, you can just use the mesh tube as is. It's kind of got like folds in it and it's kind of crinkly. I have found if I'll put it in the dryer for just a minute, it will make it a lot silkier, and once I string it on my carrot frame, it's just more blousy looking. I just like the look of it if you'll just put it in the dryer. That's all it takes. So I just want to show you what it looks like before, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I get it out of the dryer in 1 minute. A lot less wrinkles. It will have a different look by drying it or not drying it. The carrot frame is dry enough now for me to go ahead and move on. Remember, I used a very colorful piece of cardboard, so it took me several coats to get that print of mine covered well enough. The main purpose of painting your frame is because this mesh is a little transparent and I wanted it to look orange. Remember, I cut the top of my frame open, so I'm going to take my tube of my mesh and I'm just going to work it around the frame. Alright, I just stuck a clothespin right there on the end just so that my mesh wouldn't fall off the frame. Alright, I've got my bath poof kind of distributed evenly, and now I'm going to take my clothespins off, and I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm going to glue my frame back together. You could tape it or however you want to fasten it, because that's kind of the area that a bow or something's going to go there. Now, all right, I just want to show you how I glued the greenery to the back of the carrot. Now it's ready for a bow and hanger. Alright friends, I had to wait till the next morning. Lighting is so much better, but I got it hanging here on my back door so you can see it. Just got a couple notes for you. I went ahead and just used the spring ribbon that I pulled originally, but this would be adorable with a black and white buffalo plaid or any of the spring ribbons that are out now. I would probably use 2 bath poofs next time. I mean, it's definitely fluffy enough and you could get away with 1, but if you picked up 2, it would make the carrot a lot more fuller and definitely disguise your orange frame in the middle. And the next thing is I just took the hanger off the bath poof and hot glued it right here on the corner of the carrot. That way the carrot kind of hung sideways like that. I just love how it turned out and hope you can find an orange bath poof and make one yourself. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll be back in a few days. Bye bye.